Kull pajjiż għandu jerfa' r-responsabbiltajiet tiegħu fl-obbligi internazzjonali lejn ir-Refuġjati, stqar dan ir-rappreżentant f'Malta tal-Kummissjoni għar-Refuġjati tal-Ġnus Magħquda waqt konferenza li tfakkar il-Jum Dinji għar-Refuġjati.
But we also need to look at how European cooperation can be strengthened. UNHCR is very much involved in that discussion. We would also, like Malta, we would like to see more effective cooperation that includes both on rescue, on the way refugees are received in Europe, and the way solutions are found in an effective way.
Huwa stqar li Malta qed tagħmel ħilitha biex tgħin lill-immigranti li qed jaslu f'pajjiżna.
Malta has been very involved with rescues in the Mediterranean, and Malta has developed capacities to deal with reception and processing of asylum claims.
Fl-istess ħin saħaq fuq l-importanza ta' strateġija għall-integrazzjoni tal-immigranti.
We think that it is important that Malta develops a solution strategy. Some people are given a right to stay here. There should be a facilitation of their positive settlement in society here. And the Minister mentioned today at the opening that an integration policy is one of her ministry's objectives.
Din l-istrateġija tkellmet dwarha wkoll il-Ministru għad-Dialogu Soċjali, Affarijiet tal-Konsumatur u Libertajiet Ċivili Helena Dalli li tkellmet dwar id-diffikultajiet li għaddu minnhom ir-refuġjati meta jiġu kostretti li jaħarbu minn pajjiżhom f'tentattiv biex isibu ħajja aħjar f'pajjiż ieħor. Filwaqt li fakret li dawn il-persuni jiġu minn pajjiżi fejn hemm konflitti u gwerer u li ħafna drabi huma vittmi ta' faqar u diskriminazzjoni qawwija, hija tmexxija ħażina tal-pajjiż li twassalhom biex jaħarbu. Dwar it-tfal ir-rappreżentant tal-UNHCR stqar li jaqbel ħafna mal-pożizzjoni tal-Prim Ministru Malti dwar il-ħelsien ta' tfal miċ-ċentri tad-detenzjoni.
The Prime Minister has earlier announced that the children do not belong in detention. We very much agree with that, and we are trying now to work to find ways to make sure that that is the case.
Intant matul l-2013 l-Istat Malti laqa ma' 83% tat-talbiet mingħand l-immigranti li talbu xi forma ta' rikonoxximent u li kienu jinkludu stat ta' refuġjat jew protezzjoni fuq bażi umanitarja.